Eastern Himalay Food Industry, which is under the UISI industry in Takil Industrial Estate, has developed a paper-making machine designed by a local youngster named Ahong Shangbam Nongdamba. Talking to Tom TV in this regard, Nongdamba said that he came up with the idea considering the high price of imported machines which are hard to afford by local entrepreneurs. He added that the new machine is made from raw materials found in the state, and this machine takes only 3 to 4 seconds in making one paper. So one could easily make around 20,000 papers on daily basis. He informed that around rupees 25,000 to 26,000 were spent in manufacturing this machine.
Mapalam gisu mina sabani, ako jumbi mini. Mapalam day machine do layu talaga so ako na putoga, ako kung ako lamdam sila isa, ako laybak sila isa machine na iba machine siya, ako saba hay iba siya. Atopa laybak singi mamang dasu ako ngami hay siya, ako utok ning bagi wakala mo just pagjarak paitare. Hek ako na super dakaw iba siya.
Nongdamba also mentioned about various advantages of the new machine. He said it can be run by solar power and that manual work is not required here. In fact, the machine functions like other imported machines available in the market. He also informed that this machine will be made available to the market very soon.
Pagi poche oina na bi mama kanu mamang da kara pot ki koi papoje thilak pagi adu maje size tar pagi aduga size ta thoga maje kitang dumping to kitang namdhara ga kitang press ta wala pakthon bagi ka ama hoji ama ju kan hoji pakhat chari.
It is very commendable that many of the local youth like Nongdamba are not sitting idle but thinking and working towards inventing new valuable machines and tools.
Di suram dragadi khangar ngamroi ba do su akoi su da badagi khang da bani adagi haita bani ba ado sura kan da di akoi khang e haire hojik sina ta ba to makan si sina khal chawe do koi pixel laga koi tan tak na ba yum da tan tak na ba gi macha koi portable light are ko adum bo photo ke na hojik plan di lai jari ba ko.
Considering the future ahead, nurturing the youth with innovative ideas and craftsmanship is really essential in the state.
Araiba machine amakak mahangna puthokuna miyamda fanganaba honari masimagna lamdamsida leriba nahasingna suba nobagi lambida yamna khumang chauksina sangsilakle haibagi achoba mayek laraba khudam amani. Camera person Govin Galoinana Paudam Zariba Nabukumar Kawupam Times of Manipur Tak Yen.